Hi, everyone. My name is Maiken Hernandez. I live in Southern California. I live in the LA area. I actually am from Pennsylvania. I moved out here when I was 18 and never left. I'm excited to kind of start this field. I know that everybody else is really excited too because it just means that we're one step closer to graduation. Some of you may know I actually just had a baby 4 months ago, so it's definitely been tough getting through the last couple of semesters, but been able to do it. I'm sure all of you guys have kids as well and lives, so it's definitely a struggle for all of us. I am My field placement is at a treatment center, drug and alcohol treatment center. My concentration in my placement is going to be therapist, trying to work with a lot of the clients. I am going to do a few groups at the treatment center, but my main concentration will be doing one-on-one therapy with the clients. I just found out that I am going to be having a caseload of 4 clients, which seems to be actually a lot, but hopefully my supervisor can help me through some of the stress of that. And what I'm hoping to get out of this field is more of the clinical aspect than I did my last field experience. Doing more of the one-on-one therapy is something that makes me a little nervous because, it is going to be just myself and the client, and I am going to be meeting with them on a weekly basis. So I am going to be responsible for, the majority of their care, obviously with the supervision of my supervisor, but, that makes me a little bit nervous. I think therapy in general makes me a little bit nervous. So it's definitely something I'm going to have to work on. And what I expect out of this field experience than my last experience is just to kind of gain more knowledge of the clinical aspect, working with the clients, and really working on treatment plans for them to make them have a successful, aftercare plan, really, which is the most important when working with people in treatment is, having a solid aftercare plan for them, getting them into, therapy or whatever they need after they leave our center. So I look forward to working with everybody and good luck.